Does teaching your kids about money feel like explaining calculus to a toddler? You're not alone. But here's the good news. Family financial education doesn't have to be complicated or boring. Let's break it down together, okay? So money is one of the most important life skills, yet most families feel unsure about how to teach it or even where to start. So research shows that 77% of the kids say they wish their parents taught them more about money. But between balancing bills, groceries, and family schedule, who has time to figure it all out? The good news, a few simple steps can make financial education part of your family's daily life, okay? So imagine a family where everyone understands money, okay? Not just how to spend it, but how to save it, grow it, and use it wisely. So picture your kids confidently budgeting their money, budgeting their allowance, saving for their first car, or even starting their own side hustle. That's what family financial education is all about. Building confidence responsibly and a legacy that builds money habits. That's what family financial education is all about. Building confidence, responsibility, and a legacy of smart money habits, okay? So let's take a look at 3 whys, all right? So here's why family financial education matters, okay? Number 1, why it matters. Teaching financial skills sets your kids up for a lifetime of independence and success. Number 2, why it works. Kids learn best by example. When the whole family is involved, they pick up good habits naturally, okay? Number 3, why now? The earlier you start, the easier it is for them to develop a positive money mindset and to avoid costly mistakes later, okay? So start with a family money meeting, okay? A simple monthly check-in to talk about finances in a fun, low-pressure way, okay? Here's how. Number 1, make it a team effort. Gather everyone and set the tone. This isn't a lecture, it's a conversation. Number 2, set one small goal. Maybe it's saving $50 as a family for a fun day out or cutting back on takeout for the month. Number 3, teach by example. Share something you're working on, like paying down debt or saving for a new car. Number 4, give kids a role. Let them brainstorm ways to contribute. Maybe cutting coupons, planning meals, or selling unused toys. So this isn't about perfection. It's about progress. The key is to keep it light and consistent, okay? I get it. Money talks can feel awkward, especially if the finances are tight, but kids don't need perfection. They need real life lessons, okay? Even small conversations like explaining why you budget or how savings work can leave a lasting impact. Remember, it's not about having all the answers. It's about starting the conversation. So let's take a look at the family scenario, okay? So meet the Garcia family. So they started a monthly family money meeting, setting a simple goal, saving $30 for a family pizza night. So the kids pitched in by cutting coupons and finding recipes for budget-friendly meals. After hitting their goal, they realized how fun and rewarding saving could be. Now they're expanding to saving for a weekend road trip. It's a team effort, and the kids are learning valuable lessons about earning, saving, and working towards shared goals. Let's take a look at some additional benefits, okay? So family financial education isn't just about money. It's about strengthening relationships and creating a shared vision for the future, okay? So stronger bonds. So working together brings the family closer, all right? Empowered kids. They'll grow up confident, independent, and prepared for real world challenges, okay? Financial stability. Shared goals helps everyone stay focused and reduces financial stress. The last one, a lasting legacy. You're building habits that your kids can pass on to their families. What's one financial lesson you wish your parents had taught you? or one you're excited to teach your kids, right? Share it in the comments below. Your story might inspire another family to take their first step. So, celebrate the little wins, whether it's saving $10 as a family or having your first successful money conversation. Maybe throw in a money jar high five or treat everyone to homemade cookies. It's about celebrating effort and teamwork. So I want you to take a moment to appreciate the steps you're already taking to give your family a better future. Every little effort matters, and your kids will thank you someday, hopefully before they're 30. But so here's your challenge. Plan your first money meeting, okay? Choose one simple goal like saving for a fun treat or cutting back on unnecessary expenses, and talk about it together. Start small, keep it fun, and watch your family grow closer while building smart money habits. Okay. So let's take a look at a recap. All right. So family financial education doesn't have to be hard, right? Start with small practical steps like a family money meeting, teach by example, celebrate wins, and build habits that create confidence and a brighter future for everyone. Remember, success isn't about juggling everything at once. It's about automating, managing, and dominating step by step. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in my next one.